Hey YouTube, and I'm going to be unboxing the Motorola, which I just dropped, Motorola Moto G7 Play. Okay, that's the front, side, the other side, and the back. Now let's open this up, shall we? With a handy dandy knife. Okay, let's see. Alrighty, let's do this side first. I think this is the instruction manual, yada yada yada. The charging cord, the charging brick, and last but not least, the phone. Let me take all this off. The phone. Not bad looking. Not bad looking, and it's an upgrade for my shitty ass phone. Alrighty, if you're interested in this phone, there'll be a link in the description, alright, of where I bought it at. Alrighty, until next time, YouTube, take